Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to request Google to index a page in your website in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside my website builder in Hostinger, and first visit your website just like that. Now locate the page you want to index. For example, let's say I want to index this page in Google. Copy the page URL, then go to Google Search Console. Fill in your page URL here and hit enter. As you can see, this page URL is not on Google, and to request Google to index it, just click on this request indexing link. As you can see, my request was added successfully. Now click on dismiss. To check if this page was indexed successfully after some few days, you can just copy this link and search for site, two dots, and your page URL. It should be appearing here. And this is how to request Google to index a page of your website in Hostinger. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.